Hello, and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this Honda CB125R, registered the 16th of June 2023 on a 23 plate, with 3,404 miles, and presented in matte gunpowder black metallic. This popular and exceptional example is a credit to its previous owner, and benefits from full service history plus R&G engine protection. With a big bike feel and look, this will make for the perfect first bike after completing your CBT, and to gain valuable roadcraft and experience if you are looking to move forward and pass your full test. With 41mm beefy upside-down forks, radial caliper and LCD dash and ABS, this is a truly user-friendly motorcycle, just in need of a loving new owner. This superb example comes serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable to all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.